Hello, I'm Amanda, and today we're going to be making rose bath bombs with Himalayan salt. So today we're also going to be using these silicone molds that are shaped like roses, and these are both Himalayan salt, but this one's just grounded. And then over here's the coconut oil and the rose petals. Using a big bowl, add baking soda and citric acid. And then we need to mix it up with a whisk. Add grounded Himalayan sea salt and mix to fully incorporate. If you see crumbs in the powder mix, then just use your hands to crumble it. Melt the coconut oil in a microwave in 15-second increments. Add rose fragrance oil and Polysorbate 80. Mix the wet ingredients well and slowly pour it into the dry mixture. Use your hands to fully mix together all the ingredients. The perfect bath bomb texture is similar to damp sand, and it holds its shape when squeezed in your hand. If it doesn't shape very well, spritz the mixture with a bit of witch hazel and mix again. The humidity at your place influences your bath bombs as well. If you live in a very dry place, you probably need a little bit more witch hazel to shape your bath bombs. Looks like it's fully mixed. Put the rose-shaped mold on a flat surface. Sprinkle some dried rose petals in the mold. I'm making a bit of a pattern where it's all the rose petals are in the center, but you can do whatever you want. Add the mixture into the mold and press the mixture firmly. Let's wait 3 to 4 hours to let it harden. These bath bombs look great and they smell amazing. These would be great for Mother's Day gift, and don't forget to wrap them up and to keep away all the humid air. Thanks for watching, and follow us here, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!